Guys, hello everyone. This is go down to the basement. You see, it's messy basement. I'll bring you everyone here in basement, and I'll show you what in here. This is my husband fish tank. Look, salt water. There's more here. It's a fish tank. Oh, there's a small fish. Oh, there's a lot of small fish. Oh, there's a baby. There's a baby fish. It's a baby fish. There's more here. We cut this. Looks nice. There's a lot of small fish. Oh my god, oh, it's a baby. What's this? Okay. And there's more here. That is salt water fish tank. Locks our basement here. Looks creepy, right? That's our basement. Looks creepy. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel. Oh, that's good. That's nice. It's a pretty fish, right? So small here. Oh, there's so many fish. Okay guys, don't forget to hit my the button subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you for watching, and have a great day sa lahat. Okay, I go up now.